And I should be live now. Wait up, wait up, wait up. Okay, seems good. Seems good to me. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the stream after 2 days. I have been sick because of COVID vaccine, but I'm back now. I'm feeling good. So let's start the stream. And as you can see, I have upgraded this setup and yeah, whatever. Give me a second. What in the... I can't open up a website. Why is that? Oh yeah, it's working just fine. Okay, so let's review what we did in the last stream. All right. Queries pool. Let me check out readme. Okay, so I think in the last stream we were trying to play around with PostgreSQL, if I'm right. So, and I wrote this to configure PostgreSQL with Node.js. Users, Albasava, host. Okay, and you know what? Let me check PostgreSQL documentation. Where is the tutorial that I was following in the last stream? I think it was this one. Yeah, probably it was this one. Dash u username. Connect to new database. All right, let's connect to this PostgreSQL instance or user or whatever it is. Before I do that, let me quit it and let's go start the servers, shall we? cd into server. All right, so npm start. Oh, come on, come on. What is this? npm start. The terminal gets stuck when I press tab. I don't know what is happening. Okay, it's good. It's good. So they should start the server. Let's wait for it. And while it is starting up, let's explore. Okay, first I need to... let's explore this list. Okay, this will list all the... okay, I want to list the users. How can I list the users? List all the table, list all the roles. Yeah, du seems fine. Silvasava. Okay, you know what? I don't want to create a new role. Or I don't know. What do they suggest? A role can function as a user or group. So in this case, Okay, so they suggest us to create a role, different role, and work in that. Okay, okay. But you know what? The role that I created, the name is too much long. I should have just followed that tutorial and created as me. So now, I don't know. Can I change the name of the role? Let's see. Postgres change role name. I think there should be a way. Alter role. Okay, so what does it do? Alter role name. Alter role name to new. Okay, okay, let's do that. Alter role. What is the command? Role name is Sahil Wasawa and change it to me. Okay. What? What? What is the issue here? Two. Why can't I just write two? Rename to. Okay, it is rename to, not just to. All right. They should have said it earlier. Rename to. Session user cannot be renamed. Why is that? Uh, okay, I think I'm logged in as this user itself, so I should log in as PostgreSQL. Then I might be able to change the name, right? So let's do that. Should I do this? I don't know. Let's test it. Peer authentication. Now why is that? Mm, 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 mm. Oh, come on. Just log in as PostgreSQL. Oh, okay. I get it. I get it. Let's try this. What? Why is it failing? It was working just fine before. Now, why can't I log in as PostgreSQL? This is crazy. Let us check the official documentation and see if they provide something related to roles. Yeah. For some reason, I'm not able to wrap my mind around the authentication or the users and shit. Tutorials. Yeah. Show me some tutorials. Tutorials related to users because it seems that creating queries is easy, but somehow I don't know how to manage getting started. Show me getting started examples. Linux, yeah. Show me the tutorial for Linux, please. That I did. Okay, after installing, what should I do? To connect to, okay, let's read it thoroughly. In PostgreSQL, a user account is referred to as a role. Okay. By default, Postgres uses and ident authentication. It means that PostgreSQL will associate its role with the system account of Linux. If a role exists in PostgreSQL, the same Linux user account with the same name is able to log in. Is that okay? Hmm. Okay. Okay, I get it. I get it. I get it. This is what I should do first. And now if I type PSQL, okay, I'm in side root du. Now I can fire that previous command. What was it? Create role. No, 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 no. Alter role Sahil Wasawa and rename to me. Okay, I hope that worked. Yeah, it did work. So let's quit it. Let's exit from Postgres. And now when I type PSQL, oh, okay. Yeah, right. Right, I changed. Okay, this is going to mess up. This is going to mess up because it says now this role doesn't exist because we changed the name. You know what? Let me change it back to Sahil Wasawa. It was good enough. I don't want to mess it up. Or maybe I do want to. You know, it's good to just mess it up and trying to figure it out. Let's do that. Let's try this command and see if it works or not. Yeah, right. Okay, I don't know what I should do now. What I should do. No, this won't work probably. Let's go into PostgreSQL and PSQL. Let's change me to Sahil Wasawa. Oh wait, me rename it to Sahil Wasawa, please. Okay, so that is done. Let us exit and let's try to do this. Okay, now this is not even working. Let me try it this way. Okay, I was able to log in. Okay, so let's just continue. Let's not try to mess up with users. All right, so now that we have a login user, what is the next step? Create database API. Oh, I think I already created an API, didn't I? Let me check. So list databases. Yeah, let me list all the databases. Yeah, I created to learn. So let's connect it to it. To learn, shall we? I should have named it different, something different. I don't know. It's just local database, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so now that I'm logged into database, what should be the next step? Connect to new database, list all the tables. I don't think we have any tables as it is right now. Task. Oh, yeah, I did create it. I did create this tasks table. Give me a second, guys. I think the mic volume is the sound from the mic is not getting picked up. I think I don't know if that is the case or not. Let me check it out. No, it is getting picked up. Let me test it for. Hey DJ, how are you? DJ Dave. All right, so seems the sound is working just fine. And let me turn on the music. All right, so let's get back to Postgres. Uh, okay, we have created a task table, it seems, and let me check it out. But another issue is I am not able to see the messages from YouTube. Hey DJ, can you again send a message? Because it seems I'm missing the comment from YouTube. It's not getting inside my bot. Mm, well, let me check what is the issue here. Audio is good. Okay, okay, great. Audio is good, but it seems that my bot is not working. I'm not able to get the messages from YouTube inside this bot. And it's good to hear you're good. So what is up, man? What kind of projects are you working on? Let me turn off this bot and try to restart it. Okay, great. Let me test it. So testing bot. There is an error. Why is there an error? Okay, this is messed up. Mm, you know what? Fuck it. Fuck it. I have a tech interview tomorrow. Looking for a project I can work on to prep up for the interview. Oh, that's good to hear, man. It's good to hear. Look, you're looking for a project to work on to prep for the interview. What kind of interview? Web development or anything else? Oh, come on, you can't be serious. React and Node.js. Great, 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 man, great. I'm also trying to prepare my portfolio so that I can start interviewing, you know. Any suggestions? No, I'm not in a place to give you any suggestions because I'm a beginner as well. Is this your first interview? Okay, fuck it. It's not working. Maybe 10th? Okay, so then you're definitely more experienced than me. You're definitely more experienced than me. What kind of help do you need anyway, if this is your 10th one? By the way, what kind of companies are you applying for? Are they product-based companies or, service-based? I really hope to get into a service-based, product-based company, and mostly a remote one. Startups. Oh, nice, nice. Yeah, startups are good. I'm looking forward to work in a startup as well. All right. So API, I created an API as well, not API, a table. Uh, creating a table. I created a table And I think I created two fields inside the table. One was, I don't know which one was it, title, and second one was a boolean value. So how can I list all the tables? Yeah, pt dt task. Can I do this? No. I want to check the different fields of this table. How can I do that? Let me go in the tutorial documentation. Which version am I using? I don't know. It could be 13th. Let me check it out. PSQL version. Okay, I'm using 12.7. So 12.7. How do I list the fields of the table? Data types, data manipulation. Okay, I think this is all of this stuff is related to query and stuff. I want to check the tutorial for the shell, PSQL shell. Let me just Google it. How to list the schema of table in PostgreSQL. List tables. And no, I don't want to use a query. I know I can use a query, but I think there is a command for the shell. Okay, let me just open up the question mark. Is it question mark? Yeah. You should use grepper. Oh, what's that? Grepper. And yeah, this is the first time I'm using PostgreSQL. Actually, I'm just trying to learn. So I'm not, I don't know much stuff. What is it? Grepper. Mm, what is that? Are you talking about this extension? Grepper? I think you are talking about this, right? List tables, code snippets on Google search. Oh, code snippets. Ultimate RAM upgrade for your brain. Uh, okay, so if I search for anything, it will give me this kind of window. Huh, nice. It's a very neat extension. Yeah, I will put it in the bookmark. I will install it later. Thanks for the suggestion, man. But I'm not sure I will be using it anytime because I have so many extensions installed that when I open up a new tab it just hangs up. So let me show you what I mean. So if I open up YouTube, say it will open up after 2 or 3 seconds because I have this extension, not this one, dark reader. It hangs up all the windows. So I'm not in a place to use another extension. But I do want to use this extension. I hope there was an alternative, which was faster than this one, dark reader. List databases, list views, list databases. Okay, what is a view? View. Schemas. Oh yeah, list schemas. Let's try this. DN. Huh. No, this is not what I want. What if I do this? Tasks. Nope. Let me just write a query. Select star from tasks. Yeah, so we have a title and a done field, and I created one row. Hmm. Okay, so now that we have this setup, let's try to connect it with the node. So there was something in dot documentation. I think there was one website called PostgreSQL tutorial. It's a good one. Let me open it up. Tutorial. Oh, I already have it open. Connect to database. Yeah, connect it to a database. Connect to database from JavaScript, Node.js. They have given only 3 options. Now, why is that? Mm, okay, there should be something here. Getting started. Installation, server configuration, server setup. Odd. Didn't open up anything. Oh no, no, this is not what I want. Server setup. Server configuration, client authentication. I don't know. Let's open it up. Server configuration, client authentication. Let's just follow this tutorial. Okay. Okay, I already installed this PG. Connecting to a Postgres database from Node.js. I think there was a shortcut to, don't to not hard code these values. That's what I'm trying to look for right now. You can create some environment variable which are of specific names, and just this PG library will just pick it up. Okay, after creating a pool, I can just do pool.query. All right. So I think I need to export this pool. So let's do that. Export module module dot exports. All right. So now I can use this variable to query stuff. Right. So let me check the doc. Create at which port, listen for which command, configure Postgres. Okay, we should mark it as done. Create a database model. Okay, so now let's see. I need to, so to which port should be something like this. I don't know. What commands? Let's try to write the what commands, shall we? Mm, the base command will be this one, remote, right? This will be the base command for task, remote. And remote, suppose after remote someone writes learn Python. So after the base command, whole thing this whole thing will be a task, a title of the task, right? And by default the boolean value, I mean done value, will be false. What if someone wants it, I don't know, mm, we want, hey Puru Sarma, welcome to the stream. How are you doing? Mm, okay, so we want to list all the tasks of that user. So maybe we can have a command like this, show, remote show, which will list all the tasks of that user. And suppose someone wants to do- great, man. And I much appreciate it. Thanks for dropping by in the stream. So tell me about you. What kind of projects are you working on? Remote, so okay, so this will list all the tasks. Yeah, and we can have a command like this one, remote done and id. So id will make mark it as done. Yeah, I think this command will work just fine. Maybe we should append a task flag before the task. Yeah, this seems good enough. So remote task, this will create a task, remote show, it will list all the tasks, and remote done and id, it will mark the task as done. Maybe we should provide a command to undone that task as well. So let's write it undone, right? So let's work on this 4 commands, shall we? Richbot.js command remote. Okay, so now we can just do this. JavaScript. Let me open up the tutorial. By the way, guys, I'm a JavaScript noob. I used to work in JavaScript, but it was a long time ago. I forgot all the methods, so I will have to check the documentation every now and then. I'm trying to look for string methods. Yeah, string method, string contains or something. Search slice substring. No, this is not what I want. Complete JavaScript. Yeah, let's open it up. Ends with, starts with. I think starts with will work just fine. Yeah. Checks whether a string begins with. Yeah, let's use this one. Starts with. Right. So command dot name starts with. Wait, why is there no auto completion for this? Starts with. This is the correct way, right? Starts with. Command name is a string. I hope so. The string starts with this. Okay, if the string starts with remote, what should we do after that? Switch. Let's have a switch case, and let's first get this first label, after the command. So command name, and we want to get the second word. So let's see how we can get the second word. Starts with replace. I think we can do what is this called? Split. Yeah, split this one. We can first split and get the second element. I don't know. Yeah, let's just do split. And the separator will be, okay, what is limit here? An integer that specifies the number of splits. Oh, great. I think we can use this limit option as well. So what we can do is, we can just split this command into, like, we should split it only 2 times so that we can get this whole string in one item. Yeah, this limit option is good. So let's do that. Where's switch pot? You know what? We should just do it here. No, let's do it like this. After trimming, we'll do split space, using space, split it and split it only twice. Okay, this limit is the number of elements returned. Number of elements returned. So I think limit should be 3, I guess. No, because in this case this will be the first one, second one, and the third one. So 3 is good. And now we don't need to do starts with, we can just do, I don't know, command 0, right? So let's do that. Command 0 equal to remote, then we will have a switch case, switch, right? And for switch we will get the command. Okay, first let's see if it is splitting the command correctly or not, right? So let's do console.log commands, not commands, command name, right? Let's test it. Okay, uh, let me test it. Let me write the command remote task, no, testing bot. Let me check. Whoa, it crashed. Why did it crash? What happened? Okay, I think there is a problem. Oh, okay, wait, there's an issue. Oh yeah, I have one. Okay, it should work now. Let's test it again. Oh, nice. We got remote task and testing command. Yeah, this is exactly what we want. Awesome. Awesome. So now we can start creating switch command name for, right? Case first task. Come on. Second and third. So in second case we will have show. In third case done. We also have undone as well, right? Good. We can even merge done and undone, but I don't know, done and undone is seems good. Okay, so okay, now we need to create modules for creating a task, retrieving all the tasks, and marking it as done or undone, and we should not do it inside this Twitch bot.js. Let's create separate routes for that, you know separate routes or controllers. I forgot the structure that I used previously for my previous projects a long time back, so I will have to review the structure. So let me open it up quickly. I will be opening up in another monitor because I don't want to show you guys my, the credential or something accidentally. So let me open it up. Remote learners. Okay, so for my previous projects, I think I can show you guys the structure at least. let me first close all the windows and then I will show you. Okay, so this is how the structure looks like. Let me close client server config. So I have controllers, models. So I use the MongoDB for this, so it is irrelevant. I also use services. uh, so it is something like this. App.js calls the relevant route, and relevant route calls the controllers, and controllers use the different services. Yeah, I think we can use this structure, right? Mm, okay, should I click? Okay, let me open it up. Mm, so let's open up a single route. I don't know, index projects route. So in the projects route, I created the routes like this. It calls based on the route, it calls the relevant controller, right? So let me check controller. I hope I don't have any credential or something here. Okay, so this is the controller, and controller again it calls service. Service is basically doing all the DB work, the lowest level work, like fetching, and maybe we can get away with just using controller, we can get rid of services. I don't know. I mean, this is a good structure, but why make it this much complicated? I don't know. Yeah, let's just create a controller, you know. Let's not create services. Maybe later when we try to refactor it, we'll try to create service, but for now, I think controller will just be fine. And also another thing, I should not have Twitch bot under route, right? It should be a separate module in itself, because this is not really a route. We don't have routes or route in here. I don't know. Maybe I should just take it out of routes, right? Yeah, let me take it out of routes. If we were to use this structure with services, we should have just put bot inside service, you know, because it is kind of a service anyway, right? I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, let's just use services and we'll put bot inside services. So let's create two folders. Services. Second one will be called controllers. Controllers, right? Yeah, controllers and services. And we will move the switch bot one. Do I need this? Yeah, let me keep it. We'll move this to under services. Did it work? I think it did not work. Come on, come on. Yeah, I'm sure. And now inside app.js, I need to, where is index.js? I need to change this to services. We don't need this, so we'll comment it out for now. It should just work fine now. Yeah, seems good enough to me. Okay, we created services, routes, and controllers. Alright, so let me think. Ooh, let me close this. Uh, okay, so I was thinking that for creating tasks and for showing tasks, I mean all the database related stuff, what should I do here? And should I have a route? No, I mean it's not really a route. And should I call the controller or directly the service? Let me check the previous project. So service was basically doing database related stuff, right? We pass the data and it does its stuff. And in the controllers, what does it do? Mm, Controllers basically have the function of passing the data to the services and sending the response back. Yeah, let's create a bot controller. you know Sounds good. Bot controller, so that we can manage all the controller related stuff in bot controller and not mess up or make this bot complicated, right? So bot controller.js. Let's also create an index.js file, and in the index.js file we require it and export it. Const bot controller equal to require, oh come on, require by the bot controller. Wait, what is happening? Oh yeah, I need to put it inside quotes. Module dot exports. Let us export bot controller, right? What should be the structure of controller? Hey Rushi, welcome to the stream. How are you doing? Okay, in the projects controller, I need to require the services, and for the controller modules, I can just module.export it. Yeah, let's do that, man. Let's first create the controller modules, and after that we'll create the services, right? So module.export. so the first module will be creating. Where are you from? I'm from Gujarat. What about you? Gujarat. Ah, yeah, Rusi Bachani. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're from Gujarat, right? So tell me about yourself. What kind of projects are you working on this weekend? You know, what kind of work do you do? Let's think about it. Let's first create which bot. Let's first create a controller to create the task. Rajkot to Ahmedabad. Yeah, I figured you must be from Rajkot. Hmm. So you're currently in Ahmedabad. I guess you're working there, right? As a developer or something. I guess. Hmm. Create a task. Work on React, Node, and Postgres. Oh, nice, nice. React, Node, and Postgres. Yeah. So I have just started learning. I mean, not learning. I have created some projects in Node before, but I'm getting into it again. So I've forgotten all the things, and this is my first web project after 3 years, I guess. And even Merge Tech. Yeah, yeah. I worked with Mongo as well. So I created this website in 2018. Let me show you this one. So after that, I didn't create any other websites. So I'm trying to get back into web development now. Yeah. I didn't use any framework for the front end. It was just basic HTML, CSS, and jQuery. You use Sequelize? No, 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 no. I'm not using Sequelize right now. So I just so this is the first time I'm using PostgreSQL. I'm just trying to learn it. I'm trying to learn PostgreSQL. So I'm using this module PG, and I am importing PostgreSQL using, where is it? Using this method. Hey, the hero trailers. Welcome to the stream. But I don't know which way is better to use PostgreSQL with Node.js project. I was thinking of using Sequelize, but most of the projects or the tutorials that I came across, they were not using Sequelize for ORM. Yeah, yeah, I know, I know. And when I was using MongoDB as a database, I used to use ORM for that, Mongoose. I thought this is reacting stream. Yeah, this is the reacting stream. We are reacting to React. Uh, I'm going to create the front end in React. So there's that. But right now I'm working on the backend part for that, and I've been creating the front end in React mostly. I don't know. And I'm trying to learn. So there's that. I'm not an expert. Creating a task. Yeah, for creating the task, we can have the single service, single service to create a task, which we can use for the website, but for the bot, we will have a different controller. Yeah, this seems good. Create a task and send the response back, response back to the bot. Okay, so let's see how we can do that. Mm, task create. Yeah, this is good enough. Task create, right? Yeah, it will be an async module. Request response. Wait, DDU. Yeah, I was in DDU. You were also in DDU? Actually, I was in DDU, but I dropped out in fifth semester, so I didn't complete my graduation. You were also in DDU? I Yes, 2021. Oh, nice. You mean you graduated in 2021? That's good. I was in 2015's batch. Yes, CKB, sir. I was in 2015 batch, so I would have graduated in, I don't know, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19. So I would have graduated in 2019, but I didn't. I dropped out in 2017. Mm, Let's leave the controller for now and let's create the service to do the stuff. What should I call it? Task service. Let me first create an index.js. Good to know. Yeah. So what kind of work do you do regularly now? Are you a web developer? Full stack. Nice. Full stack JS. I'm also hoping mostly I work on front end portion. Okay, yeah. So I'm mostly hoping to get a back end development job, because I don't like front end that much. So I want to work in a startup or something, most preferably a remote startup. Const user. eData. Okay, but is it like service based? Is it a service based company? Like what kind of, does it provide any product, or they provide services like web development or something? Fuel.exports. Let me export Twitch bot, and I think okay, Twitch bot. And now in index.js I can just do, instead of getting Twitch bot like this, I can just do, I don't know. All right, and there should be a Twitch bot. It should work just fine now. Yes, it is a service-based company, but currently they are developing a product. Oh, nice, nice. What kind of product are they developing? Okay, so the Twitch bot seems to be working just fine. Uh, where is bot? A project related to project management. Oh, okay. Project management. You mean this kind of base camp? This kind of software, right? The story behind this startup is kind of similar, uh, before they started this product based company, Basecamp, they were kind of a service based company. All of the employees were remote, and after that they created this product. One of the employee created this product, and then it just took off. So I think the people who are in charge of your startup, I mean the startup that you are working in, knows this story as well, I guess. That's what they are trying to create as well, I guess. Yeah. So do you like front end? Do you like working with front end? Because I dread front end. I don't really like front end development that much. I like back end much more than front end. Mm, let's create a service. We should call it tasks task service. Okay, what should be the structure of task service? Let's see. Yeah, same as the controller. Let me just copy this structure. Oh, come on. Okay, we'll be having only data. Yeah. And now we can write the, okay, we need to import pool here. So let's do that. Const pool require where is it in the queries? Wait, yeah, it is outside of this. See you later. Send you a link request on LinkedIn. Yeah, all right, I will accept it. And yeah, it was good to have you here, and thanks for dropping by in the stream. Yeah, sure. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Requires queries. Okay, will it work this way? So I'm exporting pool. So that should just work fine, I guess. And now I should do pool dot query insert into. So what is the query to insert into? Insert, select insert. Data types, SQL syntax, data definition. Yeah, I know. I can just Google it out. Insert into table name, values. Insert into, okay, what is the table name here? Tasks. And but before that, we want to check what kind of data we are getting back, right? So in most const, we should be getting back, I don't know, a title and done. That's what we should be getting back. So title, come on. Okay, all right. How do I write query in query? Hmm. Yeah, I don't need to wrap it around quotes. I can just write it, right? So I don't need to wrap title around quotes. I can just do this, right? And done. Values. Value should be capital. And we will have a parameterized query. What the hell is happening? Wait, why are the key bindings not working? Come on. Come on. What just happened? Something messed up. Something messed up. Shit. Oh no, I messed it up. I messed it up. Let me just close it and not save it. Hmm. I think the key bindings are not working properly. I don't know what happened. Oh, it's because caps lock was on. Huh, this is crazy. Right, so let's get back to query. Pool dot query. I will have to write it again. Let me just write it in small letters. Okay. No. Insert into tasks and table title. Ti- Title done values. Okay, for values $1, $2, and semicolon. Should we have a semicolon? No, we don't need a semicolon, it seems. And the second argument should be an array, right? Containing the values which we want to store. So first value should be, okay, I need to get the values constant. Okay, title and then we should get it back from data, right? We can just do title and done. Okay, seems good to me. Mm, it will return a promise, right? Constant results. Okay, so after calling result, what should it return? It returns results, insert ID. Okay, let's try to console log it first, Let's see what happens. Console dot log. Log the results. Okay. I just can't type today. What the hell? Okay, task create DB. So we have a service. Let's use it in the bot controller. I need to import the service here first. So let's do that. Const task service. Okay, did I import this task service inside? No, I didn't. So let's do that first. It should be called task service. Task. Wait, why is it not giving us the auto completion? I hope the syntax is just fine. Okay, syntax seems good. Oh, okay. So I'm not exporting. Wait up. I think I messed up this. Um, inside index.js. Yeah, whatever. I can export task service like this now. Require from, wait, we are inside controller, so we need to go back. I need quotes, controllers and services. Give me the task service, and now let's use task service. I should await the task service, right? I don't know. I mean, it's not going to return a promise. Why should I await it then? I don't really know how async awaits. Wait, close. Oh, why did I open this? Why did I open the terminal? Wait, in the controllers, when I call service, I'm awaiting. But this here, it's not returning a promise. Wait, at least this one is returning a promise, but I don't know. They're not going to return a promise from where is the service again? We're not going to return a promise here, right? Or maybe we should return a promise. Maybe we should just return this results, then it will be returning a promise, right? Should I do that? If that was the case, why should I should have just used this in the controller, and I wouldn't have to create the task service. I think I have complicated the structure. Mm, a good project structure for a merge stack, pawn stack. Yeah, merge stack is fine as well. For a Node Express project. This folder would contain all the functions of your API. Will contain all the routes. Oh wait, I need to get the express router first, right? Yeah, I will do it later, but models, hmm, middleware, utils, templates. Ah, so this guy is not using. Okay, seems good to me. You know what? Let's just remove the services. Don't need it. Let me move task service. No, not task service. Which bot and yeah, let's move Twitch bot in the controllers and task service. Yeah, update it. What the hell? Let's move this logic directly into the bot controller, you know. Okay, but now we need to get this title and done from request dot body. For that, I need to import the body parser module, I guess. I don't know. Okay, let me clean it up a bit. Bot controller, index.js, bot controller, and Twitch bot. So Twitch bot and bot controller are both controllers. I should have just wrote the logic in Twitch bot. Nah, bot controller is fine. It is fine, okay. But wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, let me get rid of the services first, and then we'll. So TwitchBot. TwitchBot should be imported from controllers. Yeah, I know modules are not found. Controllers. So I should get rid of this services now. Right, let me delete it. Good. And now, let's think about it. So in the Twitch bot, we will be getting the data. It is not a request or response. So we won't be getting a request or response. But what we will be getting is data. So it should be something like this. And right. Okay, what is the issue now? What do we need to fix? Why is it crashing? Cannot find module services. Okay, so where am I using? Oh yeah, it's here. Let me get rid of it. Should work just fine now. Hope so. Okay, it is still crashing. Now, why is that? Why is it crashing? What? I got rid of the services module, didn't I? Yeah, I think I have it here as well. I don't know. Maybe here? No. What about queries? Mm, Why is it crashing again? Let me save all. Save all. Let's restart. Oh, it worked. What? So it was not working and suddenly it started working. Great, that is just great. Okay, so it is working just fine, right? And we are calling pool.query to insert the task, and the results we get back, we will pass this results back, right, to the Twitch bot. But now my issue is okay. What kind of, should I just return a confirmation or something? Why is this open? Let me just close it up. Okay, okay. You know what I'm thinking? I mean, what my query is. So let's first get this controller here. Let me import it. Const bot controller. First, let's require it. Controllers. Bot controller. Yeah, we get it here like this. And in the task, when I call the bot controller or task create like this, I mean, should I just await this? Like, that's what my issue is. I mean, should I be awaiting it or can I just, ignore it? Okay, let's try to not await it and see what happens. You know, let us test it out. So this will get us back the results, right? Let's console.log the results first of all. Log the results to see what we get back is the result. Right, all right. And in the task create, we should be passing the data. So we'll pass the title, command name, command name, okay, command name 2, and by default done will be false, right? Wait a minute. Okay, yeah, good enough. We will do this bot controller. Okay, I think everything is in place in its correct place, and let's test it out. Let us test the command. Let's create a task. It should create a task in PSQL remote task learn Django. Okay, what just happened? Oh, it crashed. Why did it crash? Cannot read property create task. Okay, and why is that? Undefined. Huh. Okay. Wait, in the index.js bot controller. So I'm exporting bot controller. What the hell? What the hell? Why is that not working? Hmm. What is the issue? What is the issue here? Cannot read property. Oh wait. Why am I getting this 3 only? Hmm. Okay, I will fix it later, but let's first fix this. Says it cannot read task create. What? Why? I mean, I'm exporting task create, right? So bot controller, when I require it like this in bot controller, then bot controller should contain task create, isn't it? The hell. So bot, let's see. It gives us this task create here, and why is it giving us error here? Hmm. What is the issue? What is the issue here? Cannot read property task create of undefined. How can bot controller be undefined? Huh. Let's try to console.log it. Let me test it again. Oh, it crashed again. But what is the log message this time? Connect could not connect to server. Reconnecting. Oh, why is that? This something happened to internet connection? No, it's fine. Okay, let me test it again now. Undefined. Oh, Okay, bot controller is undefined, but I'm importing bot controller. Okay, wait up. Maybe I can't do it like this because I'm not really importing bot controllers. Wait, no, I am. I am importing bot controller. Hmm, this should work. I mean, it worked in this project. That's what I did here. That is what I did here. So in the routes, I just where is the route importer? Require controllers. I imported projects controller and I just call projects controller and the relevant module, right? So this should just work fine. It worked just fine here. What is the issue? Hmm. Maybe I'm not able to wrap my mind around modules and stuff. I don't know. I don't know exactly how it works. Maybe that is the issue. Control control dot convert to ex6 module. Yeah, I will do it later. Converting it to ES6. Let me read up something about modules. JS modules. Import. Huh. Alright, alright. We will use the new syntax ES6 syntax, right? So how can we use it? Import bot controller. Is this the way? From bot controller. But yeah, I need to export it using ES6 module itself. So let's do that. Okay, what if I do? Let me check this project structure. Let's see what he did and how he did. So he did not use index.js. All right. Then how did he call? Okay, let's check his routes. routes, admin routes.js. Okay. Okay, he's using common JS requirement requires. Let us check some newer tutorials. They might contain the newer syntax, ES6 syntax. I hope so. Mm, all of these guys are using MongoDB, but it doesn't matter. All we want to check is the wait, what am I wasting my time on? Wasting my time on the project structure. What the hell? Should be thinking about something else. I mean, I don't know. Why am I wasting my time on this? Services. Yeah, people have different opinion. Oh, wait. So this guy is using exports dot. Huh. Exports. This is how you export a function. Let me check that tutorial again. Where was it? Yeah. Okay, so this guy using ES6 syntax for importing and exporting, but not for functions. That's so hypocritical. That's why I hated JavaScript. Oh, come on. Can I do it like this? I don't know. Wait, why am I getting an error or something? Declaration or statement expected. Hmm. No, this was just good. So just use this syntax for exporting, I guess, and for importing. Okay, can I not use this syntax? Cannot use import statement outside a module. What? What module are you talking about? Yeah, let us stick to common JS syntax. Hmm. At least this should work. Even this is not working. What's the issue? What is the issue? Let's test it again. It crashed. Why is it undefined? I mean, see, the bot controller is undefined. Okay. It should pick up index.js, right? It should just pick up index.js. Okay. What if I no? Maybe I can't use it like this. Fuck, why would I do this? Let's just use it directly like this. I'm inside this module. Why not just do it this way? Bot controller. Will it work this time? Let us test it out. I think it worked. Let's see if it created task. Nope, it did not create a task, but it worked. We did not get an error this time, but why did it not create? What just happened? Let's see. Console.log. I think it did not get inside this. Oh, wait, what's this? Okay, it logged the bot controller. Let's get rid of it. But that is fine. But our issue is it did not add anything in the task. So it should have called task create, right? Okay, it did not even log the results. Whoa, whoa. Why is that? It did not even log the results. What happened? Hmm, okay, maybe I should use async and await. Maybe in that case, this method should be async. And let's test it now. Hmm. Nope, nothing. Oh, I know why. I know why. But let me first. What was I going to do? Yeah, let me first. Let's comment this and let me fix it. So in the queries, I think there's a problem. No, this is just fine. I'm connecting to the right database, right? This should just work. Let's see, are we even getting inside this console.log? Oh, come on. Data. Yeah, we are getting inside it. Data. That means this should work. Query, but we are not getting the results. Why? The pool query is not working. Why is that? Wait, wait up, wait up. I think we are not connected to database yet. That must be the issue. Wait, so after I have created a pool, I can just do query. That's what I did. It's not working. Did it create? No, it did not. It did not. Why is it not working? It should at least give us some error. Let us log title and data. That should give us some idea why it is not working. Let me test it. Yeah, so we are passing title and data just fine. Why is query dot not working? Pool query insert into is correct, right? Query, can it return a promise? Like, does it return the promise? I mean, do they provide? If that is the case, I mean, see, in this example, they're using a callback function. What if this module doesn't return us a promise back? But no, it should return. Let's say this. No. For that, I will need to check Postgres documentation. Let's check it. PG npm. That's it. No more documentation. Okay, it should be here. It should be there. It should be there. Wait a minute. Whoa, 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 whoa. We need a pool and we need a client. Wait, I need to do pool and what is that? I should use just ORM. New client. So where am I using client? Okay, so now this is confusing me. This is totally confusing me. What is a pool and what is a client? Why do we need a pool and a client? Mm, Let me check sequelize. If sequelize pro is better, get started with sequelize. Yeah, let's get started. What is HS store? Why do I need HS store? Yeah, okay. Yeah, maybe I need it. Creating a model. This is good. But if I use an ORM, I won't be able to, I won't be writing the queries and I won't be learning the queries. What should I do? Should I use equalize? Post find all. Yeah, I was looking for this. We can have this environment variables and we won't have to hard code it then. So let me set it. Okay, and I'm going to pixelate the screen because I'm going to edit env file, so bear with me. All right. User host database password and port. User host database password and port. Okay. All right. I'm going to unblur the screen now. And now we don't need to explicitly or hard code this value because it will pick up directly from the environment variable. Okay. All right. Right. Can you know this is confusing to me. Why do we need to connect to the pool as well as to the client? I mean, what is a pool? What is a pool? What is this? Hmm. I mean, in this tutorial, this guy is not even connecting to the client. What is that? Is it, is it providing, has it provided a link to GitHub or something? Or Postgres? Okay, I guess not. Even the documentation is not providing the details like what is a client and what is a pool. Maybe this, let me just Google it. Pool, what is a pool in PostgreSQL? If you are working on a web application or other software which makes frequent queries, we will want a connection pool. The easiest and by far the most common way to use Node Postgres is through a connection pool. Connecting a new client to the Postgres server requires a handshake, yeah, whatever. Hmm. All right. All right. Okay, I need to connect to pool. If you don't need a transaction or you just need to run a single query, the pool has a convenience method to run a query on any available client in the pool. This is the preferred way to query with Node Postgres if you can, as it removes the risk of leaking client. Okay, pool dot query. Okay, but this is not working. This is not working at all. I tried this. Right? I tried it. Why is this not working for me? Okay, wait. Let's see if select star it works or not. Let- Okay, in which bot controller? Let me try to do another query, just for checking it out. So we'll do, I don't know, select select star from task, right? And let me comment this and let's check the results. And you know what? I should not. It's okay. Let's test it. Oops. Okay, nothing happened. Why? I called Twitch bot, but nothing happened. Whoa, whoa, what? Oh, okay. Something happened. Something did happen, but it did not give us this query. Select star. Oops. Oh, I think I did not save it. Let me test it again. Hmm, still nothing. It's not even, wait, it's not even printing undefined. At least it should print undefined. Ah, not even printing undefined. You know, let me results. Let me test it again. Ah, yeah, okay, fine. Wait, what if it is printing a error? So let's try to console log. Oh, not group. Console log. Is there an error? Yeah. Let's test it now. Ah, yeah, we're getting an error. Let's see what is the error. Password authentication failed. Oh, okay. I don't know why it should fail. Okay. Let me change the password. No. Let me change the password. Where was this tutorial? Insert. No, not this one. I think it was this one. Yeah. Ultra role. I want to change the password. What is this with? Alter role. Sahil Wasawa. And password. Password. Okay. Okay. So let me let us test it out again. Now that we have changed the password. Oh, great. So it is working now. It is working. So let's delete this and let's test this. So let me check the table. Oh, I need to change to learn. Yeah, so it is adding the data in the table, but now we need to fix this. So it's not getting the whole command. So this split function is not working like we thought it should work, right? So let me check why. string method split. An integer that specified the number of splits. Items after the split limit will not be included. Oh, so it doesn't even include the items. So that is the issue. Yeah, that's not what we wanted. I needed. What else can we use then? Yeah, we can do this. Let's not pass the limit. And command name will have to join. So let me check. Command name join. Do we have a join method? Search replace substring. There should be a join method, isn't it? Oh yeah, it should be in array methods, not in the string. Right, methods array join. But we don't want to join the whole array, we only want to join. Okay. There are several ways we can do this. Concatenate. We'll have to join a slice of the array. We can't join the whole array. Slice and slice. What does slice do? Slice. It removes. Okay, yeah. This should just work. first we have to split it, right? And if it is a task, what we will do is command name dot splice at 0, 1 and 2 index, and how many item, it will depend on the length, right? So we can do command name dot length, right? So if the length is 3, no, if the length is 4, that means 4 minus 2, yeah, length minus 2. After it has spliced it, we will call dot join. No, wait. It returns the removed items. How does it return? What? Okay. Let me do console log. Okay, where is console? But does it console log here? Yeah, it does. So it returns this as an array. Yeah, that's what we need. So splice to dot join using space is a separator. And we can just pass it. Oops. Oops. We'll pass the task like this, right? And now, wait. Yeah, so let's test if it works for lock. It works without await or not. No? Let's test it out. First, we'll do some console.log. After bot C. Okay, what just happened? After bot.c, and it, okay. Yeah, I think we should use await. But let's test if it worked for, you know, this, the whole task title or not. Yeah, it did work. It did work. So we have learned Django, the whole title. Let's test a different title. Learn Django and Flask, and let me this time write await. Yeah, it worked. And now results. JSON dot stringify or pass. No, it's not really a JSON, right? I don't know. Okay. Rows. Okay, why is the rows empty? Why is it empty? Do I need to write returning star? It was for, no, it should just return it, right? Directly. I should not write it explicitly. Creating a table, setting up mm, result dot insert id. Wait, there is an error. This should be results dot insert id. Insert id. Where is insert id? Insert id. Hmm. I don't know. I don't know. Let us check this. Insert queries. Parameterized queries. Insert into See, they are not using returning star, yet they are able to do rows 0. Why can't I do that? I mean, the rows field is empty in our case. Why is that? We should get back the result in the rows, isn't it? Hmm. Why are we not getting back the result? Why? The rows, it should have the result back in the rows. It is empty. Not rows. Undefined. What? How can it be undefined at least? Yeah, because it is empty. Shit. Okay. Insert PostgreSQL, not returning the results back. Hmm. So they have not yet implemented it. Okay, I see. So I need to use returning star, but I can just use rows.0. But okay, how how is he sure that row 0 will always be the one that we added? Hmm? Hmm. Okay, let's try to use this. So returning star. Okay. Oh, returning star. Okay, and let's see if it works or not. It is object. Okay, so it is returning. Okay, we're getting the result now, and it is the correct one. What if we don't do rows, zeros? Let's see what it prints. Ah, great. So apparently it's not returning all the. Okay, great. It's not returning all the rows. It is just returning the one that we just inserted. Yeah, so returning star means return all the columns of the newly inserted row, not all the rows in the table. Great, I get it now. Now that is clear. That is clear. What we should do is we can just, you know, return results dot rows, right? Just return the results dot rows, results dot rows 0, and in which bot. I don't know, return null. How should we handle errors? task created. Result dot let's not do that. Result dot title. Result dot title task created. Okay, let's test it. Learn the class task created. Great. Okay, so now we can create the task. Okay. Let's also write the code for showing all the tasks. Right. First, we'll create a function for that. Task create. So all the tasks of that user. Okay, so this is now I didn't take into account that we have users as well. So I need to create a user table now. Oh, great. Can't just create a task like this. I need to create a user table and I have to create the task for that particular user. So I need to figure out how to first. I don't know. You know what? This is it for this stream, and we'll figure out how to create a user and tasks for that users in the next stream. Alright then, I will see you guys in the next stream. This is it. Goodbye.